Welcome, in front of me is a Realme Note 50, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have a power saving mode visible. Now here it's actually called battery saver, and it's visible on the first page for me. But if you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the... Come on. Swipe to the left, there we go. And you'll see additional pages. So anyway, we can from here tap on it. It will give us a quick message: turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and it delays notifications. I'm gonna choose turn on. And out of this message there is one very important part, which is the delay in the notifications. What that means is it will disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. So when it's in sleep mode like this, we'll turn it off, and there's two options. Either it's going to reconnect to it every like 10-20 minutes or however long, and see if it's missing any notification, then drop them all on you at once. That would be the delayed option. Or it might just not deliver them to you as long as you're not using it, and when you try to interact with it, it will automatically reconnect and then sync up everything. Again, this is also could be considered delayed, but obviously if you're not using the device and not interacting with it, you won't be getting any notifications. Something that you will need to figure out which one it's using here. But in any case, if either one of those obviously bugs you and you have a problem with it, all you need to do is just turn off the battery saver, and the device will go back to functioning normally as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.